Top 6 Home Gadget. Product 1.
Looking for a game changer in your kitchen? The HUNTER.DUAL knife set has it all. This 15-piece set includes every knife you need. Enjoy a sharp 8 chef's knife for effortless slicing. Rust-resistant blades ensure long-lasting performance. The anti-slip handle gives you a secure grip. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning and convenience. Built-in sharpener keeps your knives ready to use. Say goodbye to dull knives and hello to precision. Order your HUNTER.DUAL set now and elevate cooking.
Product 2.
Tired of messy countertops? Let me share this. The Sizzly Sponge Holder is a game changer. It features a rotatable spout for easy draining. Say goodbye to water pooling on your counter. Its compact size fits perfectly in small kitchens. Made from rust-proof stainless steel, it's durable. The divider design keeps your items organized. Store sponges, brushes, and soap all in one place. Your kitchen will look cleaner and tidier now. Order yours today and elevate your kitchen space.
Product 3.
Struggling with messy cabinets? Meet the Reelin Under Sink Organizer. Its L-shaped design maximizes space. Easily pull out the sliding drawer. No tools needed for quick installation. Order now and declutter your space.
Product 4.
Tired of fumbling in the dark? These motion sensor lights are a game changer. They auto on within 10F, ensuring safety. Choose from 5 brightness levels for any task. Rechargeable and easy to install. No wiring needed. Grab yours now and brighten your home today.
Product 5.
Craving perfectly grilled meals at home? The Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill is here. Interchangeable plates let you grill or griddle. Sear steaks and sauté veggies with ease. Achieve 500 RAWs for optimal grilling results. Enjoy edge-to-edge cooking without hot spots. The low smoke feature keeps your kitchen clean. Family-sized capacity cooks for 4 to 6 people. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Order now and elevate your cooking game.
Product 6.
Tired of messy pours in the kitchen? Introducing the Kong Nai Kitchen Funnel Set. These funnels are food grade and safe. They withstand temperatures from 40 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius. You get 4 vibrant colors: red, orange, blue, and green. The collapsible design saves valuable kitchen space. Easily store them in a drawer or hang them up. Cleaning is a breeze. Just use warm soapy water. You can even toss them in the dishwasher. Don't wait. Order your set today and simplify cooking.